In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Crosshair in Left 4 Dead 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, when playing Left 4 Dead 2 by default, you will have a crosshair, as you can clearly see. If you go into the options, you will notice that there is nothing related to disabling it. So to do this, you actually have to do it through the developer console. So go to the keyboard and mouse options and make sure that it is enabled. With the developer console enabled, what you have to do now is open the console itself. Press the tilde key to get this done. Once you open the console, all that you have to do is type crosshair space 0, and now the crosshair will be gone. You can clearly notice that I don't have a crosshair anymore, so essentially I don't have as much precision as normal. And this will also work with any other weapon. So of course a melee weapon doesn't really rely on a crosshair, but you will notice that even the little crosshair that we have also vanishes when we type crosshair 0. So all that you have to do is open the console and type this command. If you want to enable it again, type crosshair space 1. There are other commands related to your crosshair, so you can change the color. So if you type cl underscore crosshair, you will see a bunch of them here. So you have options related to the alpha, blue, dynamic, green, red, and thickness. They should be self-explanatory. Dynamic will react to when you shoot. So as you can see, it is now static, and if I keep shooting, it won't change. But if I have the name dynamic set to 1, when I walk, it is going to increase in size. This is to demonstrate that we are now less precise when walking, when moving, and so on. So it will grow according to your precision. So choose whichever options you want to use. But if all you want to do is disable it altogether, crosshair space 0 will do, and you can challenge yourself to hit your shots even without a crosshair. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Crosshair in Left 4 Dead 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.